Hiya, today I'll be doing the first styling of my Juniper. Please watch the video. Thank you. This is one of my Chinese junipers. I will be doing the first styling of this tree. I just repotted this tree from a nursery pot to a bonsai training pot last spring, and it's doing great. The style of this tree is upright, and I have a good plan for this tree. But first, we're gonna do some cleaning on the top. The important thing before you do anything with the tree is to clean it up. I will be putting two guide wires on both sides, and left and the right. So I will be using the pot itself for my anchor, where I can hook up the wires. I will continue wiring the branches of the tree. Here are all the wires that I put on the tree. I will now begin to clean up the branches and the trunks of the tree. These Chinese junipers have a really nice barks. Actually, they are like reddish color, and it's really nice when you clean up and remove all the scales and expose the reddish color of it. There's a couple of small gins that I made, so I'm just burning it to make it look old. Now I will put a little style on the tree. The tree is too boring just the way it is, so I decided to make a shari to make the tree more interesting. So let's torch it a little bit so we can make the shari looking old. This branch I think is no use here, so I decided to make it a gin. It's more better and will look good with the design. Now I will clean up the trunk and branches with a mixture of 50% vinegar and 50% water. Now I am applying lime sulfur to the shari we made so that it will heal faster and it's gonna look more dead wood and quickly. So when it dries up, that will look more better. So here's the new look for now. We did the guy wiring, the Jin and Shari, and then the foliage. We wait for a new growth, and we do that next time. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.